this insert is not good anymore. It's rotating, and we're gonna repair that. First we have to get this plastic thing out of the way. Easy. Over here is just one bolt. This also out of the way. Okay. Okay. Short shoulder, and then hopefully now, yeah, something like this. It just needs to be out of the way for a moment. So I'm going to put something. Oh, wait a minute, here I got something. This maybe underneath. Yes. I have to drill this one out. Let's see if I have a new one. So, guys, I have this set, and these are those inserts, but this is 5. Let's see what the bolt was. And the bolt was 5. So it's aluminium. I got the tool with it. So first I'm gonna drill it, and then yeah, the only thing I can do is drop it into this here. I'm not sure if the thread is alright. I think, no, see, it's aluminium. One time too fast and you have a problem. Right. So, carefully gonna drill it out, but hopefully, yeah, it rotates. Guys, now I have to hold it. Maybe I can grab it with grip vise, but let's see. Did a bit underneath there. Carefully drilling. Hop. But it's not. I thought it was aluminium, but it's iron. Oh. Put something there. Keep it. So now, again, give it a try, hold it. Now. Almost there. Okay, guys, oh no, okay, yes, then, get, yes, this one off, okay, now, I'm gonna tap it back in, as I, just can't get it out. Let's see, is this one? Hop, already gone. Bye bye. It's somewhere over here now. Guys, you never hear that rattling. This engine makes such terrible noise. You don't hear this. So now, let's see. I have this and it should fit in there. Yes. Then I have my 5mm tool. 5mm. Now all I have to do is dream. Okay. This is the tool. Yeah, we call it splijtmoer. I'm not sure what it's called in your language. Screw it in until it just comes out. Push it in that hole and then block the nut and then now yes, there it goes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now then screw it back. Oh. Okay. Hop. What I do is when I put it away, I screw one up so it doesn't fall apart, as it's a bearing with some, what is it? Oops. Then put it back in this cage, hop, and in your box. Hop. And now let's see this one again. Yes. Yeah, guys. Sure. It's now good. Yes. See? It doesn't rotate anymore. And in the previous one the thread was stripped. This thread is now good. So this one goes back over here. There we got it out. So now guys, this was my video, my quick video. How to repair such an, yeah, I'm gonna put it in here, not sure, stuitmoer. When you ruined it, the previous owner had stripped the thread. But I hope you like this quick video, and if you do, consider a subscription. I really would appreciate that. And give me thumbs up, good for the YouTube algorithm, guys. Wow. And for now, Old Mechanic out.